Cinnamon health benefits. Cinnamon is a green plant that grows in Sri Lanka in Indonesia, Brazil and Egypt. In the kitchen, the cinnamon is used to prepare desserts and pastries with its sweet and intoxicating aroma, and is sometimes used for seasoning of various casseroles. The part of the plant that is used for medicinal purposes is the bark of the trunk, and the main active ingredient in it is called kinamaldehyde. In folk medicine, cinnamon has been used for thousands of years, and because of its great value it has been served in the past as a guide for kings and rulers. Today cinnamon is also considered to be of great value, but from a health standpoint. In natural medicine, cinnamon has many and varied uses, and is considered a mandatory ingredient in any healthy kitchen. Cinnamon has many health benefits and is recognized in herbal medicine mainly for its ability to help control blood sugar levels and thus also contributes to weight loss. It is good for detoxifying the body, strengthening the immune system, gastritis, and Helicobacter bacteria. Cinnamon can also help lower cholesterol levels. Recent research shows that if you add up to 3 teaspoons of cinnamon a day, you can reduce belly fat, lower blood sugar, and reduce the risk of heart disease and malignant disease. Health benefits of cinnamon spice. Rich in nutrients. Like many other spices, cinnamon is rich in minerals and substances essential to the body. Cinnamon provides an adequate amount of magnesium, calcium, iron, fiber, potassium, phosphorus and small amounts of several vitamins B, C and K balance blood sugar levels. Aside from the fact that cinnamon is a sweet, slightly tingling spice that can be a partial substitute for sugar in various recipes, studies have shown it also helps to balance blood sugar levels. Cinnamon works similarly to insulin in the body, and increases metabolism and glucose processing. This advantage makes cinnamon very popular for diabetics and overweight, as high blood sugar stimulates increased storage of fat, and cinnamon's ability to prevent it. Reduces pain of arthritis. Cinnamon is known as a spice that relieves pain in various parts of the body, and since it is also a food that creates a feeling of warmth and promotes blood movement, it is especially recommended for those suffering from joint pain. However, it is important to note that this is a grandmother drug that has not yet been fully scientifically established, although many people claim that cinnamon and honey help to completely cure their joint infections, improves memory, and cognitive function. A study at the University of West Virginia found that eating cinnamon improves memory and contributes to proper cognitive development and a sense of alertness. Because of this, it is highly recommended to consume foods and drinks with cinnamon before long trips, and send the children to school with a delicious snack containing some of the sweet spice. Contributes to a sense of satiety. Cinnamon inhibits the passage of food from the stomach to the intestines, so that after you eat foods that contain cinnamon you will feel a feeling of satiety for longer. In addition, eating it also increases the metabolic rate, so that the food you eat for a long time will transfer to your body more nutrients that the body will be able to absorb fully. Treating migraines. In Chinese medicine in the Eastern countries, cinnamon is known as a dietary supplement with a variety of medicinal properties, and can help relieve many pains. Part of the reason lies in the fact that cinnamon is a warming spice that helps in relieving migraine symptoms, so that massage the temples with a mixture of water, and cinnamon helps to expand blood vessels and provide rapid relief for headaches. Anti-inflammatory properties. The active ingredient in cinnamon, kinamaldehyde, is a powerful antioxidant that is also used in the metal industry to protect steel and other iron alloys from corrosion. In addition to antioxidants, cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties that help strengthen the immune system, and protect against colds and even candida fungus. Reduces bad cholesterol. Although there are conflicting studies on this issue, there are many good reasons to believe that daily consumption of cinnamon in the recommended dose reduces the level of bad cholesterol (LDL) in the blood. Low cholesterol means reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, so you should consult your doctor about cinnamon supplementation if you are at high risk for these diseases. Reduces abdominal fat. A study conducted several years ago in France found that cinnamon can help people who suffer from abdominal obesity. Fat belly is an inflammatory fat that affects the blood vessels, heart and other systems in the body. When insulin is resistant, insulin cannot put the sugar into the cells, and the sugar begins to build up in the blood, and as a result, the rate of fat production increases. Cinnamon balances blood sugar levels, resulting in less sugar in the bloodstream. It is highly recommended to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon to your oatmeal in the morning to open the day in a healthy way. Conclusions: to strengthen the immune system, reduce the damage of abdominal obesity, to balance the level of sugar that has emerged as a result of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and to reduce the risk of heart disease. Thank you for watching.